So this is Gullah Geechee Nation Appreciation Week, and we've done this every year for 10 or 12 years. So thank you for coming and accepting this. Whereas Gullah Geechee Nation Appreciation Week began in 2012, and the celebration of the living legacy of Gullah Geechee history, heritage, and culture came about due to the work of St. Helena Island native Queen Quet, chiefess of the Gullah Geechee Nation. Whereas Bluffton continues to participate in the celebration and to show our support, we are calling on all citizens and visitors of Bluffton to take part in the activities associated with these events, which are part of global activities for the United Nations International Decade of People of African Descent. Whereas Bluffton tells the story of both the enslavement and the self-determination of Gullah Geechee people through the enslavement cabins at the Hayward House and at the Garvin Garvey House, and the May River has served as a point of disembarkation of the Africans along our shoreline, as well as a place for the Gullah Geechee fishing, and spiritual nourishment. Whereas Gullah Geechee Nation Appreciation Week allows us to highlight these aspects of history for our community of visitors. I, Lisa Sulka, Mayor of the Town of Bluffton, along with Bluffton Town Council, do hereby proclaim July 28th to August 4th the Gullah Geechee Nation Appreciation Week with the theme, Dishyada Gullah Geechee.
What's going on? Yeah,
I've practiced that. There you go. Thank you very much.
I just want to say thank you one more again to Mayor Soka and all of the town council and things like that. And I see say one of them yet people are going to come across this your river every year. It is practically keeping going now. That's all. Okay. So glad to be here, especially in this building. It is really an honor to be in a building named after a man that did so much not only for this community, but for the Gullah Geechee community and for the Gullah Geechee Nation. It is a blessing to be in a building named Mr. Frazier, and I appreciate you all for presenting this in this building tonight. And then to get it in men crack your teeth and come up, that icing for the kid. So I'm so happy. Our celebration that's going to take place always culminates with our Gullah Geechee Nation International Music and Movement Festival that I hope at some point we bring right here, Mayor. And so this year we are back in Charleston, and it'll be the first weekend in August. If you're interested, just go to gullahgeechee.info. gullahgeechee.info, and you can follow us at Gullah Geechee on Twitter, at Gullah Geechee on Instagram, and you can keep up with all the things that'll be happening in Bluffton and other places. And I'm very happy